How do actual cash value and replacement cost impact your home insurance? Imagine losing your favorite sofa or having a tree fall on your roof. How much money would you get from your insurance to replace those items? That depends on whether your policy uses actual cash value or replacement cost. These terms are key to understanding what your insurance will pay after a loss. Actual cash value is what your insurer considers the current worth of your damaged or lost item. They subtract depreciation, which accounts for wear and tear. For example, if your 10-year-old refrigerator breaks, the insurer pays based on what it's worth today, not what it cost new. That means you might get less money than it would cost to buy a new one. Replacement cost, on the other hand, covers the full amount needed to replace your damaged item with a similar new one. So, if your refrigerator is covered by replacement cost, the insurer pays enough to buy a new model of the same size and quality, regardless of how old your old one was. The difference between these two impacts your premiums and your payout. Policies with actual cash value usually have lower premiums because the insurer's potential payout is less. But you might not get enough money to fully replace your belongings or repair your home. Replacement cost policies tend to cost more because they offer more protection. They pay the full cost to replace or repair, helping you avoid paying out of pocket. When you file a claim, the type of coverage affects how much money you get. With actual cash value, you get a check for the depreciated value of your items. With replacement cost, you might get an initial payment based on actual cash value, then a second payment after you show proof of replacing the item. If you don't replace the item, you only keep the first payment. This is especially important for expensive parts of your home like the roof, heating and cooling systems, or major appliances. For personal belongings, the difference can mean whether you can afford a brand new item or have to settle for used or lower quality replacements. Knowing these terms helps you pick the right policy. If saving money each month is your goal, actual cash value might seem appealing. But if you want to be fully protected and avoid big out-of-pocket costs, replacement cost coverage is usually better. Always check your policy details to see which parts are covered by each type. Some policies cover the dwelling with replacement cost but personal property with actual cash value, or vice versa. Keeping an updated home inventory and saving receipts can make the claims process smoother, especially with replacement cost coverage. In the end, understanding how actual cash value and replacement cost affect your home insurance helps you choose a policy that fits your needs and budget. It's about balancing what you pay monthly with how much protection you get after a loss.